right now in Italy, so we are at the forefront of this because in Europe we've been the first to be hit, and we've been hit really, really hard. You have an idea how the situation was, and still is in Lombardy. It's like a war. Everyone has lost someone, dear ones, friends, and this applies to everyone, including myself. I'm a physician, but I don't do any clinical work. But here at the Mondino Institute where I work, which is a neurological research hospital, we are part of the Lombardy network. And so they asked us to dedicate a whole floor of our institute to COVID-19 patients. So basically we have a whole floor with NeuroCOVID patients. So patients with neurological conditions who also have developed an infection with SARS-CoV-2. This is going to, I think, to explode as a field. And neurologists are starting to see lots of neurological sequelae in these patients in terms of encephalitis, for example, or infectious invasion by the infection also of the cerebellum, for example, spinal cord, and not to mention the problems with olfaction and taste. And maybe the most interesting one is that speaking to our colleagues anesthesiologists here in Pavia, they were telling us that these patients who have a severe drop in the oxygen saturation levels in the blood, they do not react properly. It is as if the brain was not registering appropriately this drop in the levels. We are starting to talk of NeuroCOVID. We have to keep in mind that 35% of all patients with COVID-19 develop neurological symptoms. So maybe as neuroscientists, we might have an opportunity here. So trying to cut a niche for ourselves and trying to study to understand as neuroscientists what the actual relationship between this virus and the central and peripheral nervous system might be.